WeTrade HQ has built something special for each one of its users. I'm going to go over exactly what we have in store for you coming up. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad and I trade over-the-counter penny stocks for a living. That's what this channel is primarily revolved around, but I've also built a platform. It's called WeTrade HQ. It's at WeTradeHQ.com. If you're interested in checking it out, those links are down in the description below, and it's absolutely free to join. We have over 3,000 members that are involved within WeTrade HQ. And it's not just directed towards over-the-counter penny stocks, even though that's what this channel is surrounded around. We actually have tools and resources out there that are available for you if you're trading anything in the stock market, whether it's ETFs, options, Forex, cryptocurrencies, you name it, no matter where you're trading in the market, WeTrade HQ is the place for you. So what is it that we have in store for you at WeTrade HQ? Well, we have gone live just this past Friday with a feature that provides you with the opportunity to view and watch people that trade and find success in the stock market live. You can watch anybody who's live streaming through YouTube, Twitch, and other live streaming platforms, and you can watch it all on WeTrade HQ. It costs you absolutely nothing. I think it's great because it provides you with an opportunity to follow along with them with all of the other tools that we provide with you at WeTrade HQ. So if your favorite person is out there trading live, you'll be able to view it right there on the WeTrade HQ platform. So I'll go ahead and share my screen with you just to kind of show you what it is that we have to offer, and you might want to go check it out yourself. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so if you're not aware of what WeTrade HQ is, this is WeTradeHQ.com. Again, the link's in the description below. It's absolutely free to join, costs you nothing to use the tools and resources that we have available to you. Now, not to shy away from the paid services that we do have, here's my comprehensive course that I offer on penny stocks. We have Young Money Investments over here with Cameron, and as well as Scott Phillips's Price Action Masterclass. They're there for you if you choose to take advantage of them. You have no obligation to purchase them whatsoever. We also have mentors that are available to you to utilize as well. Kiko, myself, and I, as well as African Emporium, we all go live with folks to help them learn this crazy stock market game and help them experience the best possible outcome when starting out as a beginning trader. But what I'm really excited to show you today is our WeTrade Live feature. So if you go to the WeTrade Live feature from our homepage, and you can check this out here, you can literally watch any of your favorite traders that are trading live through our platform. And it's not just you click and it sends you to a different link. No, that's not it at all. So if I'm looking at somebody, let's just find someone here. I'm just going to click on a random one, this Forex expert person. So I want to watch and learn about Forex. I can click and watch this straight from WeTrade HQ, and then I can actually comment on what they're doing. I can comment straight from WeTrade HQ as well. This is by far, nobody has this. Okay, you can watch your favorite traders. Doesn't necessarily have to be me or anybody. Whoever you're watching, whatever you want to view, you can do so on WeTrade HQ. Now, one other thing that I really like about WeTrade HQ and being able to view it here is if I'm going to watch somebody trade, and I can look at my favorite ticker. Let's just say they're trading INKW, which is one that we've talked about a lot on this channel, and I can go to INKW and see what they're trading right on WeTrade HQ. I can do my technical analysis, and then I can go back to WeTrade HQ, WeTrade Live, and observe exactly what it is that they're observing. It's a great feature that I think that's going to be very helpful for people, especially if they're first starting out, or if they just want to watch and they really don't want to leave WeTrade HQ. They just want to hang out here and watch and chat with their favorite trader who is live streaming. It's just awesome. I really think that this is a game changer. Nobody has this other than WeTrade HQ. And it really, I think, is just going to be a game changer moving forward for all of you looking to, become better at, trading in general. So that's it, guys. It's really as simple as that. Let me know what you think. If this is something that you think is really going to be helpful for you, we've already had people using it and they say they really love it, but we really want to have as much input as we can. So leave some comments down below and let me know what you think. If this is something that you think is really going to help you become a better trader, or something that you really just think is just awesome, or if you hate it, one way or the other, please let me know down in the comments. and so that we can really kind of just continue to improve this platform. Guys, I think that all of the stuff that we provide for you that we charge you nothing for is really a game changer in this market, and people are just starting to discover it. We have exploded over the last couple of months. We have over 3,100 now. We're up over 3,100 members worldwide within WeTrade HQ. And if you're interested in checking this out and learning more about how to trade in the stock market, I highly encourage you to check the links down in the description below. For me, guys, that is it. That is all. No talks about penny stocks this time. So guys, please like and subscribe if you want to see more content such as this. And as always, I will see you all before the bell. B. Smith is out. Please leave some comments down below in this video and let me know what you think of the WeTrade HQ feature that we put